When I look at the natural resources that we have, I can never just say we've got the soils, and we do, and we've got the ability to move water around when we get it, and we do, and we've got a great climate. But without institutions like this and partnerships, our resource conservation districts, and I would tell you that in California, it has been a tedious and torturous process. The number of NGOs who have robust partnerships on the land with our farmers, environmental defense, sustainable conservation, the Nature Conservancy, Audubon. These are powerful and important partners for us that bring another level of credibility when we go to advocate in the legislature. And those are important partners for us that we couldn't do this without. But I also want the rest of my food chain, and I was really glad to see that you've got General Mills and some others. I see a huge disconnect in our food chain, and I'm also reading articles that the food chain is the next place for more shareholder resolutions demanding to know what you are doing on climate change. So regardless of what governments like mine in California might do, or what we hope to do on voluntary incentive basis for soil health on a federal level, markets are dictating many times beyond what any of our policies do. And we have to be engaged in that with the scientific data, with the measurement tools, and with the practices on the ground. And we have to work with our food chain to have the patience to work with agriculture, which does not respond well to quarterly returns in Wall Street. It just doesn't. And this is my biggest worry. I'm being very candid today, but anybody in the food chain who comes out of consumer packaged goods, please spend time on a farm and look at the multiple decisions that are made by a farmer every day, and look at all that we ask of them every day, and look at how well they do it, and with a partner, how much more they're willing to do. I know the capacity of farmers and ranchers of this country to produce so many goods besides the crop that they harvest, and they don't get recognized for it. But I believe the programs that you are working on, that California is launching, that Maryland is doing, these are the kinds of programs that seem to hit a sweet spot with millennials in our population today that we have to be engaged in, we have to be the drivers of, and we have to make sure that they are truly a partnership with the farmers and ranchers who take great care of this landscape that benefits us all.